Ask Tom on Home Show.
Steve from Marietta, California, has a question about garage insulation.
It's a question we've had before, Tom, and it just seems to keep coming up, so we were going to address it again here. He writes to us, I live in a hot region of Southern California, not Texas hot, he adds. Yes, but we have
Yes.
water. My steel sectional garage door gets extremely hot, and the heat radiates into my garage throughout the day. I want to insulate the garage door. Would you recommend I use a fiberglass garage door insulation kit or cut my own panels out of 4x8 sheets of styrofoam insulation? I know the springs will need adjustment afterward for the extra weight. And by the way, humidity is low in my area.
First off, I don't think you'll have to adjust the springs because both those products are so lightweight, and with the counterbalance spring, it's going to handle it fine. I don't think you'll notice a difference. If you do, then you can have someone adjust it. But I wouldn't insulate it at all. I think you're just doing busy work. It's still going to be hot in there. It's still going to radiate through. If you touched it with your hand, it wouldn't be as hot if you were touching metal. I understand that. But you're not getting any cooling effect. And anytime you put insulation in a garage that's not air conditioned, once the heat does get in, it can't get out as quick. So in the evening and at night, it's going to actually hold it in even more, and it won't release the heat quicker in the evening. So that's why I don't do it in unair-conditioned garages or shops or things of that nature, because of the fact that at least when the sun goes down, it cools off much quicker, and it doesn't become a heated box that retains that heat and holds it in. So I would tell you not to do it at all. I would also say, to answer your question, either way would be fine. And to finalize it, I don't think you'll have to adjust the spring. I think the spring will be just fine too. But all of those above, you take your choice, A, B, or C.
Well, okay, so let's look at what he's trying to accomplish. He's trying to cool the garage off. Apparently he's working out there or something. So what would you do to cool off your garage, Tom?
Not what will I do, what I did. I put an air conditioner in it.
Sure.
When I go out there, I turn it on. And I work in my garage. I was out there just this last weekend. It was hotter than can be. And I was out there working, but I had my air conditioner on. I just had the thing, adjusted and tuned up with Absolute Comfort Air here in Houston. And I was nice and comfortable working on the old Mustang and doing some stuff in the garage, of course. So if you could cool a garage by insulating a garage door, then why would you air condition your house? It wouldn't make any sense. You could just air condition or just insulate your front door in your house and it'd be cool. It doesn't work that way. You have to cool it.
Were you still trying to figure out how to operate everything on the Goldwing?
Yeah, I haven't got near. I'm about halfway there. But I can drive it. It's the electronics with the UPS and the GPS and the CBS and everything else. I don't know. It's got a TV screen, for God's sake.
Tom's Pike has everything. It has UPS, it has FedEx.
I'm trying to get the Mary Tyler Moore show on the thing. I don't know. Where's my antennas?
Click that button, come to this page, fill out this form. Perhaps you could send Tom some tips on how to make his Goldwing operate better. He'd sure appreciate that. Consider it a payback for all the help he's done for you. Now, seriously, send us your questions. We're happy to do it. We post a new one of these videos every day at HomeShowRadio.com, our YouTube channel, the Home Show Radio YouTube channel, and, of course, the Home Show Radio Facebook page.